Good day, everyone. I am RB Purification, and I'm gonna explain the difference between the exclusionary rule and the fruit of the poisonous tree doctrine. The exclusionary rule was established in 1914 through the case of Weeks versus United States. In this case, the Supreme Court decided that federal courts cannot accept evidence that was obtained through an unreasonable search and seizure, even if that evidence is very relevant to the case. The purpose of this rule is to protect individuals from violations of their constitutional rights, especially their right to privacy. Simply, the evidence gathered illegally cannot be admitted in court. The fruit of the poisonous tree doctrine, on the other hand, it extends the exclusionary rule further. This principle was highlighted in the case of Mapp vs. Ohio. It states that if evidence is obtained as a result of an illegal action, then that evidence must also be excluded from trial. In other words, if the original source of evidence is poison because it was obtained illegally, then everything that comes from it or the fruit is also poison and cannot be used in court. Thank you for listening.